Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to perform a virus scan on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. Now it is very simple. All you have to do is simply go to Settings. In here you want to scroll down until you find Security and Privacy. And in here you simply click App Security. And then you click App Protection. You might have it disabled, so enable it. And once you enable it, you can simply scan your phone. And now it will go through each application on your phone and give you basically information on if you're safe from any malware, or are your apps safe, or etc. etc. So after a while, of course, if you have more applications, then this process will take longer. But as you can see, for me, no threats has been detected. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.